Miss Kiara, details please and complete location. So this comment is para sa trending natin na Shera Townhouse here in Cavite, which you can own for as low as 14 to 16,000 only per month at available yan through Pag-ibig Financing. At bakit nga ba mabenta ang ating Shera Townhouse? Ipa-flash ko dito ang facade finish ng ating unit. Kung makikita mo, napaka-modern ng design. At yes, isa nga yan sa pinakamalaking townhouse na ino-offer namin right now here in Cavite. Yet, napaka-affordable lang ng monthly. Plus, may carport ng kasama at semi-complete finish na rin upon turnover, including the tiles sa ground floor. So, ang laki talaga ng mamimenos mo. And to give you the initial details for our Shera Townhouse for its house specification, meron ka na nga provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath na complete finish ang turnover, meron ka ng balcony at naka-overhang na ang second floor kaya almost covered na rin ang carport area. May service area ka na pwede mo pang i-expand upon turnover ng unit at ang kagandahan dito, may mga new blocks tayong available where you can get pa corner lot and end lot unit na napakamura lang. To give you the initial price range for the corner lot and end lot, roughly around 18 to 20,000 lang ang monthly. May corner lot unit ka na. So, very affordable. Napakagaan talaga nitong Shera unit natin at available sa Pag-ibig Financing pa. And for the complete location naman ni Shera, if you are familiar with the boundary of Gentry and also Trece Cavite, wherein andun yung Welcome Arc, just 4 minutes away from that specific location, located ang ating project which is under Golden Horizon, a complete township here in Cavite na napakalapit lang sa mga major establishment essential for a growing family such as wet market, places of worship, hospitals, mga malls. At ang kagandahan lang, few minutes away ka lang din sa ginagawang Governor's Drive, Cavite-Laguna Expressway Interchange. So it means napaka-prime talaga ng location. Kaya ang dami nagkakagusto kay Shera at one bus ride lang to going to PTEX or PITX or Metro Manila. O so paano? Si Shera na ba talaga ang unit na para na rin sa'yo? I-message mo na ang team namin para ma-assist ka namin for a free and exclusive tripping. Again, this is Kiara Pepito Sabido, your trusted real estate salesperson. See you soon at paalam!